How can we clean all this dust floating in the air? The Trombe Airborne Dust Cleaner is up to the task. The Trombe Airborne Dust Cleaner is the first to utilize new technology that imitates the vortex power of nature's tornado on a smaller scale. Are our air purifiers up to the task? These are air purifiers commonly seen on the market. The most important function of an air purifier is the suction of dust or contaminants into the machine from the surrounding air, but the smog isn't being drawn into the purifier. We tried testing this again by placing the smog closer to the purifier. This time, we can see the smog being drawn into the air purifier. But when we repeat the test from further away, the smog is drawn to the area where air is blown out instead of sucked in. That's right. Conventional air purifiers aren't strong enough to draw in any dust or contaminants that are more than a foot away. Most companies show their air purifiers in small boxes like these and claim that the air purifiers are strong enough to suck dust in the surrounding area. But in reality, no one lives in a box this size. Then, what is the solution? Tornado's powerful vortex creates a vacuum that attracts nearby objects. The Trombe Airborne Dust Cleaner utilizes this principle on a smaller scale via an apparatus that creates a vortex vacuum. The Trombe Airborne Dust Cleaner sucks in airborne dust over a larger area. It directly captures and removes heavier particles such as pollen, pet fur, pet dander, household dust, and dust mites from the air. Unpleasant and foul odors due to cigarette smoke and/or volatile organic compounds are removed as well. Ultrafine dust is also removed from the air via a HEPA filter to provide the highest quality air. The Trombe Airborne Dust Cleaner provides dust-free air to protect your family's health. Breathe the dust-free air. Trombe.